Crime scenes are puzzles. Clues are scattered like puzzle pieces. Detectives must piece them together. Some pieces are obvious, others are hidden. Toxicology finds those hidden pieces. It gives a voice to the silent witness, the poison. Poisons are secret weapons. They can be tasteless, odorless, and deadly. A tiny amount can be fatal. It's difficult to tell if someone died from poison just by looking. This is where toxicology comes in. It helps us understand if a crime was even committed. Imagine a person found dead at home. No signs of struggle, no obvious wounds. Was it natural causes, suicide, or something more sinister? Toxicology helps answer these questions. It determines if poison was involved. Toxicology is crucial in many cases. It provides the missing piece of the puzzle. It helps bring criminals to justice. Toxicology is the study of poisons. Forensic toxicology applies this science to law. It helps solve crimes where drugs or poisons are involved. Forensic toxicologists are detectives of the chemical world. These specialists work in labs. They analyze samples from crime scenes. These samples could be blood, hair, or even pieces of clothing. By studying these, they identify the type of poison used. They determine how it entered the body and how much was present. Toxicology is crucial in many types of cases. It helps solve murders, accidental poisonings, and drug overdoses. It also plays a part in cases involving drug-facilitated crimes. This could be anything from robbery to sexual assault. The information toxicologists gather helps investigators understand what happened. It provides crucial evidence for court cases. Toxicologists use advanced techniques to find hidden toxins. One common technique is high-performance liquid chromatography, or HPLC. This method separates the different components of a sample. It helps identify and measure the amount of each substance present. Another method is gas chromatography mass spectrometry, or GCMS. This technique is very sensitive. It can identify even tiny amounts of poisons. This is particularly useful when dealing with substances that break down quickly in the body. Toxicologists don't just identify poisons. They also study how these substances affect the body. They determine how much of a substance is needed to be harmful. This information is crucial for understanding if the amount detected was enough to cause harm or death. Through these techniques, toxicology gives investigators a clear picture of what happened. It helps determine if a crime was committed and who might be responsible. History is full of cases cracked open by toxicology. One famous case is the death of Alexander Litvinenko in 2006. Litvinenko was a former Russian spy. He suddenly became ill and died from radiation poisoning. Toxicology revealed the poison used, polonium-210. This rare and deadly substance pointed to a sinister plot. The investigation found traces of polonium in places Litvinenko had been. This evidence was crucial in connecting the crime to the suspects. Another case involved the death of Georgy Markov. Markov was a Bulgarian dissident. He was murdered in London in 1978 using a poison-tipped umbrella. A tiny pellet containing ricin, a deadly poison, was injected into his leg. Toxicology played a key role in identifying the poison. The investigation revealed the sophisticated method used in the assassination. While the case remains unsolved, toxicology provided crucial evidence. It helped expose the plot and bring international attention to the incident.